For my third new technology that I'm sharing with you, I found classroomscreen.com. If you go to this website, you can launch right away, like I just did, without even creating an account, or you can create an account, log in, and have a few more features. So you can change the background. I'm going to change it to just a blank background like this. All these widgets down here at the bottom are the features, especially for the free version. I open this little widget up. Oops, undo. And maybe I'm talking to my students about line. So I open this up and I show them, I just demonstrate a straight line, a wavy line, zigzag line, a dashed line, loop-de-loo line, etc. So it's kind of cool because I can just show them what I'm talking about as I'm talking about it. Maybe I also want to add a video. So I might grab a link and paste it here and have that over here on this side ready to pop up after I demonstrate lines. We can listen to the line song. Maybe I put a welcome text to have right at the beginning of class. And maybe for this lesson, we're going to do stations. So I put a timer up here, and I'm also going to set the classroom expectations that we are going to whisper. So I'll put that up there as well. I like how this puts everything in one spot without ads. I could put this on my laptop and then project that to the smartboard so it's nice and big for all my students to see, and for our carpet time, and then when they're at the stations they can see the timer go off and hear it. So I think this is really neat. It's really flexible. The only downside is that without the paid version, you cannot save this board like you would a Google slide. As an art teacher, I teach the same class to all of the classes in that grade level. So I really have to repeat and reuse resources over and over. But yeah, I think this is a really neat technology tool for especially classroom teachers that may not have to reuse the same slide or resources over and over. They just use it and then they move on to the next. I could see that being really useful. For that technology, I could see this aligning with 1D on the ISTE Education Leadership Standards, cultivate responsible online behavior, including safe, ethical, and legal use of technology, because this program does not have ads or use any student data, which I think is a safe and ethical use of technology for our students. I also think it aligns with 2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other education leaders who want to learn from this work. And that's what I'm doing now, is sharing this with you. And like I explained, the only downside is that you can't save it. And something that happened to me is that my computer crashed when I started using Screencast-O-Matic to make this video, and when it crashed it did not save because you can't save these screens. So that's something I learned the hard way, but a lesson that I wanted to pass on to you guys if you decide to use this technology.